Okay, so we will discuss about harmful effects of plastic. Okay, not harmful effect of plastic, but prevention of harmful effects of plastic. Prevention of harmful effect of plastic. Effect of plastic. Prevention means, what do you mean by prevention? Yes, means to control. Okay, prevention means to control the harmful effects of plastic. Okay, as we in our previous classes we discussed about why plastic is harmful for us. Okay, that means wrongful use of plastic. We discuss about by what ways plastic can harm us. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how we can prevent it. Prevent it means control it. Prevention means to control. Okay, to control the effects of plastic. So we have various things. Okay, like number one, use plastic bag to minimum. If possible, reuse the plastic bag. That means minimum use of plastic and reuse of plastic bag. Reuse of plastic bags. Plastic bags or polythene bags. Okay, yes, polythene bags or plastic bags which you can see in your market. Okay, so how we can minimize it? We can minimize it by using it less. Okay, either we can carry cloth bag, okay, or other alternative, that means which doesn't have a plastic components in that. Okay, then reuse of plastic bag. So okay, fine, you are bringing the plastic because you haven't taken the cloth bag, so you can reuse, you can take that bag at other places. Okay, that means that is reusing. We can reuse. Okay, if it is not contaminated or if it is not dirty, we can use it. Okay, if it is clean, obviously you can use it, and we mostly use. Okay, and nowadays also most of the bags that a shopkeeper will give you are of another type of things. Okay, that means it's not paper also, it's not, yes, it's like a cloth, so that pollution can be decreased. Okay, or less. Number two, you have ask the shopkeeper to use paper bag. Okay, use of paper bag. Okay, so instead of giving things in a plastic polythene, okay, polythene bag, tell the shopkeepers or ask the shopkeepers to give it in a paper bag or wrap it in a paper and give it. Okay, yeah, you can wrap it in a paper. Okay, as for example, if you take a zagari means, what do you mean by zagari? Not paper. Zagari means what is that called? Not sukkar, gur. Okay, so gur is solid. Okay, so instead of giving in plastic, you can ask the shopkeeper to wrap it in a piece of paper, and you can keep it in your pocket or you can keep it in your cloth bag. Okay, that means, and in our previous class also we discussed about how we can ask for paper bags. Okay, for sugar, okay, we can ask in paper. Mitti ka? No, that is another thing. That is of another way. Okay, that is eatables. We discussed that thing about eatables. Okay, but we can have or we can take different types of items or different commodities. Okay, different goods in a paper bag. Okay, example, simple example, sugar. If sugar can be stored or given in a paper, then other items also can be given. Yeah, half kg also, half kg, 1 kg also can be given. Means which are of soft, okay, like chili, okay, like chili can be given because it is soft, it doesn't have such a density. Yes, pardon? Yes, yes. No. Okay, that means plastic causes harm to both land and water. Not only land and water, it can causes harm to air also. Land, water and air. Okay, so instead of throwing it in water, instead of throwing it in land, instead of burning, we can minimize it, or we can send it for recycling. Okay, so burning must be minimized. Yes, that will take, the kabari wala will take. Oh, if that doesn't come, okay, you can keep it in a place, at certain place. Okay, and in villages and in rural areas we don't have any option. Okay, the garbage collecting boy or garbage collecting person will not come, but in cities they will come. Okay, yes, everyone will come actually, for copies, for metals, and at that time you can give to them even that cardboard. Okay, cardboard. Okay, the cartoon box, yes, cartoon box. Okay, newspapers that are recycled. Okay, that are recycled. Okay, so ask a cloth or a jute bag while going out to the market for shopping. That means use of cloth or jute bag. Jute bag means you don't know jute. Jute bag, it is made up of jute, bori. Yes, bora. Okay, understood? So jute bag can be used instead of plastic. These alternatives. So how many alternatives do we have? How many alternatives do we have of plastic? If plastic is not there, what we can use? So we have many options. Aluminium, how we will carry aluminium bag? Yeah, school bag is another thing. Yes, you can carry it in a school bag also. Okay, but we don't prefer that because in market it is not preferred. But if you are going through the market and carrying a bag, that can be used. Okay, because it is not a plastic. So we have three alternatives: paper bag, cloth bag and jute bag. Okay, so we can minimize the use of plastic. Can we? Yes, we can use it. Minimize the use of plastic. Then do not store eatables in plastic bags. Do not store eatables in plastic bags. No, all other things also should not be stored in plastic bags. Okay, when you bring it from the market, you convert that in your containing vessel. Huh? What? That means if you are buying from the market and if you are using a plastic bag, okay, after buying that commodities, you will shift in a vessel. You will shift in a container. Container means steel container or aluminum container, okay, or hard plastic container, isn't it, which you use regularly. Yes, you can use in a wooden container also. That means for a long period of time it should not be kept. It should not be kept because it can affect the eatables. That means it not environment, it can affect the food. Okay, it can affect the food and the nutritional value of that food. Okay, so do not store eatables in plastic bag. Example: Yes. For the Complan, which comes, it comes in a hard container that is used for a long period of time now. But the plastic which you get in a market, the smaller one, that cannot be stored for a long period of time. So the Complan, Horlicks, okay, sugar, Bonvita, that can be kept in a plastic bag, okay, or plastic bottle. Okay, I am not saying that don't use that plastic bottle. That plastic bottle will be used, but that will be used for a longer period of time now. Okay, that can be used. But the small things, the small plastics, okay, the small plastics which you get in market should not be used continuously. Okay, that should be minimized. Okay, that should be minimized. Then do not throw used plastic bags here and there. Empty plastic bags choke the drainage system. Don't throw plastic waste or plastic bag in your surrounding, in your surrounding. Why? Because it can cause many type of pollution. So if you throw in land, it will cause land pollution. If you throw in water, it may cause water pollution. Okay, and if you simply throw in a drainage system, it may block the drainage system. Okay, and causes the dirty water to flow here and there. Got it? Okay, then never burn plastic waste. Burning plastic gives toxic gases. Never burn plastic waste, as it causes air pollution. Yes. That's what I am telling now. You can do it in a limited way. You can burn that. If 1 or 2 plastic is there in for 10 years, okay, for 1 or 2 plastic, the garbage person will not come. Okay, so that can be burnt, but don't burn in a huge amount. What I am saying you, okay, we are minimizing, we are not completely destroying. What we are doing? We are minimizing, because we can't completely destroy. Can we completely destroy? No, we can't completely finish, or we can't completely say that we are not using plastic, because everything comes in plastic. Okay, so we can burn a little portion, okay, but that also must be avoided. That also must be avoided, or we can minimize it. Understood? So if you are burning in a huge amount, okay, as for example, if there is a pile of plastics, okay, and if you burn, what will happen? It will harm the environment. But if you are burning 1 or 2 for many days, then it's okay. That doesn't matter. Trees are here right now, but in near future, what will happen? That will be collected in the air. Okay, you will not be affected, but at certain places it will be affected. So it's better to minimize it or avoid it. Got it? Okay, so burning plastic waste causes air pollution, because burning, they release which gases? Good. There is carbon dioxide, CO2, and carbon monoxide, that is CO. And these two gases are very much harmful for environment, for animals, and for plants also. Okay, even for plants also it is environment. Yes, for plants also. Yes, they take the CO2 for preparation of food, but excess amount will harm their growth. Okay, as for example, can you see a plant or a tree dying beside the road? They die, they don't grow. Because it get excess with the dust, with the pollution. Okay, but if that plant is far away from roads or far away from the market, what will happen? That plant will grow. Okay, because it is not affected by the environment. Okay, that means it will get the all nutritional value, all nutrition facts. Okay, so never burn plastic waste as it causes air pollution. Then do not put the domestic garbage into plastic bags while disposing of it into the dump. That means do not use plastic bag to what? To keep the domestic waste. Domestic waste means the waste that are collected from our homes. Okay, waste means unused or leftover food. Okay, vegetable peels. Okay, fruits which is spoiled. Okay, it should not be kept in a plastic. Why? As I told you, if you throw that plastic along with the eatables, the domestic animals might eat, and that can stuck at the mouth. Okay, at the mouth while eating. Yes, which one? Yes, from vegetables, minerals and vitamins. What is saying? Wait. Okay, I will come to you. Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, so this was all about prevention of harmful effect of plastic. Number 1, minimum use of plastic, that means reuse of plastic. Number 2, use of paper bag, cloth bag or jute bag, which is an alternative to plastic. Do not store eatables in plastic bags. I think it can cause various types of diseases. Okay, don't throw plastic waste in your surrounding. It may causes harm to land and water. Never burn the plastic waste as it can causes harm to air. Okay, causing air pollution, which release toxic gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide.